Hi, this is CG. This is from CGHR Bangalore. So today we are going to conduct mock for health camp. So for that purpose, we'll be doing enumeration, sample enumeration. So we have our surveyor Senthil. Uh, he is doing enumeration for one of the households. So and this is the enumeration application, and he's logging in. Yeah, we can see the list of areas. Surveyors can filter by the area name, the area ID, or pin code, or whatever, and they can see the maps corresponding to that area, so which are uploaded on the server. So he comes back and he selects an area, and he'll start the enumeration.
I'm adding house now. I'm collecting the household information, house information now. So I'm giving the unique ID for each house. So NS stands for Nutrition Study number 1. So I'm adding the address now.
So there's a button called Get GPS. So if you click on that button, it will get the GPS readings. It's got the GPS readings. Is entering the house basic information, is saving that, then it shows the list of households in that particular house.
So there is only one household. Let's consider in that particular house. So I'm adding the one household in the particular house. So this is a STD code, phone number, mobile number,
so it's entered the household information, household level information, and he saved it. Then he has to enter the list of members in that household. So he'll be asking the head of the household for all the information, and she is the head of the household. She'll be giving the information for the list of members in the house.
I'm adding the first member. Ma'am, your name please?
Maria,
Your age?
30,
Who are all there in your family members? Can you give the details, ma'am?
4 of them.
Okay, what's the name?
Martha,
Martha. Just a minute. What's your age?
26.
Who is the another member?
Sri Shaya,
Srisha. What's his age?
28.
The next member?
Kavita,
What's her age?
26.
So far I have added the 4 members. So there is one more member. So I am going to add the person now. What's the name?
Lokesh,
What's his age?
26.
So the server has entered all the information of the members in the household. Now on the screen he can see the list of members. So in the enumeration we'll be capturing the photos of each member. So for capturing the photos of each member, he'll be clicking on a capture link corresponding to each survey, each individual. So now he is going to take the photo. So he clicks on capture. So the browser will ask for access of the webcam. He clicks on allow. Then the webcam opens. So the webcam opens and video stream will start. Now you can select the position and click on snapshot. So if he clicks on snapshot, so photo will get added. So he can select whether the photo is good or not. If it is good, then he can click on upload, then the photo will get uploaded. So for that individual, so he can cross verify the photo by clicking on the view button. So he can see the photo of that individual. So in the same way, he has to collect the photos of all the rest of 4 individuals. So far, the surveyor has collected photo for 1 individual. Now he's going to collect for all the rest of 4 individuals. Just clicked on snapshot and has uploaded that photo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, ma'am.
So then now
Lokesh.
he calls the members by the names, because you can see the list of people in the list that he has. Clicks on captures, snapshot, and upload. Yeah.
Thanks, Lokesh. Please, Martha.
Two more are pending. Snapshot, upload. Yeah, done. Yeah.
Srisha.
The server is calling the individuals by their names and is taking their photographs. Upload, done. So the server has collected all the information, and after this stage we'll be doing stage 2, but we don't have the application ready for that. But at this stage we are distributing the invitation cards to them, to the household, so that they'll come to the health checkup. So we'll follow you up in the next video regarding the health camp. So thank you.